Dressed Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw a creeper from Minecraft. So let's get started. To draw this cute creeper, let's first start by drawing a square with rounded off corners. So I'm going to start right here at the top with a straight line. And bear with me here as I draw this line. I have to look at my camera, make sure I'm going straight. And let's say about right there. And then I'm going to come about here on the corners and round it off because I want a cute creeper. So I don't want any sharp corners. So I'm going to round off that corner, and then I'm going to come down with a straight line on both sides. So your goal is to draw a square. So this line coming down, I'm just going to try my best to make it about the same as the other side, as the top. So about there, and same thing here. Okay, then from there I'm going to kind of round off the corner again and connect. So about right here, about the same height, and let's go across. There. Okay, got my creeper head in. So now that I have this basic shape in, let's go ahead and draw the eyes. So I found a little bit easier. So in this section right here, we can break it up into 1, 2, maybe like 4. So like the half point mark would be kind of like the bottom of the eye. But we need to center the eye. So I'm going to come about right here. And I'll just give myself a point in this part of the box. And then I'm going to just kind of imagine this amount of space and the same thing on the other side. So let's say about right here. I'll just give myself 2 points. So hopefully that's in the center, or you can just find your center and come out on both sides. But now that we have this, I'm going to come down with a line about this much and go across this much. So same thing to create our square for the eyes. There. Okay, and then same thing on the other side. So we just want to leave about the same amount of space. So say about right there. Then come down. And so same thing here. And connect. There. Okay, so we got our eyes in. And then for the mouth, it's a little bit easier now that we have the eyes in. I'm going to come underneath this eye, this point right here, and just give myself a point. And same thing here. And we're just going to connect a line right underneath. Then let's come down. Not too much, so say about that much. And then we're going to come out. And same thing here. Come out. And now that we have that, let's go ahead and come down to about right there. Just giving yourself a little bit of space. And same thing here. And then we can go ahead and using this as my guide, I'm going to bring down a point, say about right here, and come down. And just connect it. So same thing right here. Come down and connect. And then we can connect these 2 points. There. Okay, so now that we have that, I'm just going to quickly shade this all in so you can see it a little bit better. And same thing here. So the hardest part I feel like is getting these two squares, but hopefully I helped you today just to kind of figure out this, find the center, give yourself these points so that everything is nice and centered. And so let's shape this in as well. Or if you like, you can always draw the eyes first and this shape first too, and then put the square around it. That could also be an option. So just play around with it, see which way is easier for you. Okay, there, finally have that in. Then we need to draw the body. So I am going to say about right here. I'm just going to give myself a point on both sides. We're going to center it and let's bring it down. So I'm trying to make this creeper kind of cute. So I'm not going to make it too tall. So let's bring this down. See, about right there. And let's come back to the same height. And now that we have that, I need to draw the feet. So to draw the feet, I'm going to come right here and just kind of angle out slightly, very slightly on both sides. And then I'm going to come, let's see here. Let's come about right here and go across, straight as well. Just make sure I'm going straight. And towards the center, you just don't want to pass the center, so just keep in mind where the center is. I'm going to come right here and angle out slightly so these 2 points are the same level, and then connect it to create that plane. And then we're going to come down with a line, about right there, and same thing here. And connect at the bottom. So I'm just going to round it off a little bit and oops, and connect. And then we're going to come right here and just draw some toenails. There. So same thing on the other side. So now that we have this point right here, it's a little bit easier. I'm going to come right here. Just want to draw the same thing across. Connect and then come down. Round it off slightly. And connect. And once again, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then whatever space you have left, just come about right here, come up a little bit and just draw a line to finish it off. And then in terms of the texture for this creeper, you can do this when you're coloring, just put in a bunch of different color squares of green, different shades. But I just want to kind of put in a little line right here so we know that there's these squares of different greens. So maybe like right here, put in one square towards the side, and then in here, draw another square, come down. It's like drawing a cross. And connect to create another square. And that is pretty much it. So I'm just going to look back at my camera and make sure I'm as straight as possible for these eyes. And all done. So I really hope I helped you draw this new creeper here. I did one many years ago. This is just a revised version. Hopefully it's much better. And I'm helping you draw this fun and easy. Thanks so much for watching. And if I helped you today, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.